Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability exercise 5.1 question number 26. Let's see the question. Find the values of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated points. We are going to show whether it is continuated at x is equal to pi by 2. Here we know that on pi by 2 it is 3. Other than pi by 2 it will be the f of x will be k cos x by pi minus 2x. Even this side it will be k cos x by pi minus 2x. If I am taking left hand side or right hand side, I will be substituting the value of pi by 2 here. Just check, if I substitute the pi by 2 here, both get cancelled, pi minus pi will become 0. If the denominator is 0, it is not defined. We can't substitute, we can't take a function, we can't substitute a limit when the denominator is equal to 0. So it is not possible of getting a denominator 0. In that case, I am going to take the limit as, I am going to change the value of x as here pi by 2 minus h. Here this side pi by 2 plus h. Where h tends to 0. Only if h tends to 0, here pi by 2, this side I am taking pi by 2 minus h, this side pi by 2 plus h. The same thing, I am not changing anything. If I take h to 0, then it will be pi by 2. So x will be 2 pi by 2. Here also h tends to 0 means substituting the value of 0 in the place of h, my pi by 2 will not change. So the value of pi by 2 should not change when we substitute, when we change the limit. So I am changing the limit as h tends to 0. Now what they have given is x tends to pi by 2 f of x, but we are changing this to, I am taking limit, left hand limit, so limit x tends to, sorry, h tends to 0 f of pi by 2 minus h. It can be pi by 2 minus h or plus h, whatever it is, because the f of x value is same. Now limit h tends to 0, in the place of f of x we can substitute k into, wherever you see x, just substitute pi by 2 minus h. Here pi minus 2 into pi by 2 minus h. Now when we multiply this inside, it becomes plus 2h. So substituting the h value, before that solve it, k sin h by 2h, here pi and minus pi get cancelled. We know that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So in the place of limit h tends to 0, sin h by h, leave this k by 2, it is a coefficient, we can bring it outside. We know that sin h by h, substituting the limit value becomes 1. So k by 2 into 1 is k by 2. We know that k by 2 is equal to 3, because LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of pi by 2. They have given it is continuous, so we can write this, everything is equal. So the f of pi by 2 value is 3 here. So f of pi by 2 is 3, just substitute the value, this is equal to LHL or RHL is equal to pi, f of pi by 2 value 3. When I multiply this, k becomes 6. This is your final answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.